How to fix Betterment account not showing correct balance. Here, the very first thing that I recommend you guys do is simply log out of your Betterment app and then log back in order to force a cache refresh, right? So you can log out and then you can log back in and see if that helps. So second thing that you need to do is verify pending ACH bank deposits or transfer, as unsettled funds do not reflect in the net profit balance. So like I said, verify that pending ACH bank deposits or transfer. So after doing that, if it's still not working, then check the market hours balances adjust when the assets pricing updates. So check that market hour and see if that helps. Or else, lastly, you can simply pull down the app screen to hard refresh like this, or to log into the web platform at betterment.com instead of the application. Or if you're on the web, then you can try to use your application to verify your actual database state, and I'm pretty sure you'll be able to fix your Betterment account not showing correct balance like that.